Hello everyone, this is Fosun. Today, I will share this kind of particle-based combustion. This effect. In fact, it is mainly the effect of calling a C4D. There is a flame on the surface, and then call the natural burning effect. Let's change it to a sphere, to observe it easily. Okay, let me briefly explain the material here, not material, here, the nuts here. This texture, is the first one, is the frequency in one direction? You can see, it will be denser. This is actually the height. Here is the speed of its fluctuation, the frequency of fluctuation. Here is the flame, the frequency of the turbulent flame. Quick one. If it's very small, the value of turbulence is not obvious. Okay, maintain a roughly this shape. This is the flame on this material. And how to use it? There is an emitter here. You can create a new one. Here, use a tube. Select a new standard material. It must be this material. This is the material used in the old version of C4D. Check the glowing surface. Select the flame here. OK. Here is the window. Check the animation preview here. Play it. Now there is the default effect. Since the tube, its UVS on top and bottom are different, sure we can delete these two faces. A tube, shape flame. Select the particle system. Then object, change it to object here. Push it in. Then here, the emission source is from the texture. Drag the color ball in. Change it to the emission channel here, and here also change to the emission channel. Return here and change to the motion mode. Turn off the speed first. Hide the tube and take a look. We can see that its current, the launching, is this kind of flame-like burning method. You can increase the number of particles. Higher. Back here. Change the material here to make it more slender. A little higher. Okay, and then the overall turbulence, larger, to have a more fragmented flame feeling. Here, you can also change its color range. For example, if you want more yellow, you can change it like this. And for the top, you can change it to a blue flame. And here can also be modified. Okay, and it can also be applied to other models. Okay. Remember to replace the model with this sphere. Hide it. Okay, let's go back and take a look. And here, there is a sense of undulation. I added a displacement layer here. Without it, it would be a flat surface, which is not very natural. Yes, I added a layer of displacement. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.